Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my little guy. Not there, over here. And this little guy has gotten me out of quite a few jams. It's the Lenox mini tubing cutter, and as you can see, it's barely larger than a silver dollar. He's pretty small. And yes, I'm aware that this is a 72, so it's not actually silver. I don't care, it's a figure of speech. Deal with it. Anyway, a lot of times when you have to splice a rusty brake line, it's always in a weird spot, usually right up against the frame rail, and you can't move it out of the way enough to get a pipe cutter in there. But with this little guy, you only need like an inch and a half of clearance to swing it around. It can fit pretty much anywhere. Take this old air compressor that I'm trying to fix. The fitting just busted off of here, the nut split in half, and the other half is stuck onto the tube with a compression sleeve, so we gotta cut that part off. Now even the Lenox doesn't quite have enough room to swing there, so I am gonna have to bend the tube a little, but the point is I don't want to try and straighten it out all the way and risk cracking the copper, so after getting a little bit more room, we can let the little guy take over and just snip the tip. I want to cut it as close to the nut as possible, and I'll just keep tightening the blue knob a little after each rotation. And then, Mazel tov. I think that's what you're supposed to say. Well, whatever, you get the idea. One negative about the Lenox is it doesn't have any kind of built-in deburring tool like you would find on a larger pipe cutter. But on a piece of tubing this small, you can just jam a Phillips tip in there to deburr it. I do have enough room in my holster that I could throw in one of those keychain Phillips bits. Plus, there's enough room in here for some extra compression sleeves and nuts. Guys, I think I found the perfect pipe cutter for everyday carry. It's tiny, it's all metal, it's got proper rollers, and you can replace the cutting wheel by taking out that little screw. The adjustment knob can be a bit tricky to turn sometimes when you're in tight quarters, but that's because it's small, and that's the price you pay for the compact size. Mine says it works on 1/8 through 5/8 inch tubing, but it looks like the top men at Lenox Corporation have released an updated model that goes all the way up to 1 1/8 inches. This new model also comes with a replacement blade hidden inside the knob. Pretty nifty. Klein as well as Rigid also have their own variations if you have a brand preference. I'll put links to all of them in the video description. They're all still going to be made overseas though. Anyway, this was another cool tool that I found interesting, and I think it's going to be the next hot EDC trend. You never know when you need to cut a small diameter tube when you're out and about. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.